it's Julie from Beautiful Horizon, and the other week I went Christmas decor shopping, or mostly looking, but I did get a few things, and I also grabbed a few things from around my house that I thought could mix and match with the things that I got. And I bought a Christmas tree. So that was the big ticket item this year. So I didn't go crazy with a whole lot of other things, but I did get a few things, and I thought maybe some of these things could give you some ideas for your home. So the first thing that I wanted to make was a wreath, and I have decided that I want to make my own. I have these that I actually twisted myself. My mom has grapevines in her backyard, so I literally clipped them and wrapped them, and there they are. So that was super fun. I love the story behind that. And I've been looking on Pinterest, and if you're not following me on Pinterest, I'll leave my Pinterest below. I've been pinning all the things, having so much fun there. And I've been seeing some nice simple wreaths, and some of them have, I call this baby's breath. So I know there's another name for it that's a little more technical, but what do you guys call it? It's mostly like the stuff that you see with roses, but they sell it by itself also. It smells amazing. Actually kind of reminds me of the smell of roses. But I've decided I'm just gonna cut little pieces off and stick it in the wreath. And there's some other really pretty looks that I've been seeing online that have a lot of greenery. So either way, I think it's gonna be really pretty. I found these at Target, little twinkling lights, and they're that rose gold or copper look. And it was $3 each in the dollar spot of Target. And so I'm gonna wrap these around and have the baby's breath, and I think white and this rose gold will be so pretty together. So I also have this, it used to be a candle holder, but now I kind of use it as a vase. These are fake flowers, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of obvious probably. But I could leave it white or I could paint it. I found this at Michael's, some really pretty copper rose, yeah, it says copper on here. That rosy coppery color. So I could paint this or I could leave it. And then I have, this is actually like a towel hanger, but I'm going to use it for a wreath hanger. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to try painting this since it's very non-Christmassy. I'm going to try painting this with this. This is Krylon. It doesn't say plastic necessarily, but I don't see anywhere where it says, yeah, okay, you can say it says use on plastic. So you can use this on plastic, and we'll just see how that goes. I mean, it's not going to have that much wear and tear. So I'm excited about those things. This is kind of random, but I found these glitter markers from the dollar spot also for $3. So I'm going to see how my kids like using these. Some other colors I got that I thought were really festive were also from Michael's. This one has a glitter to it, so I thought that was really cool. It's a glitter that's not going to like fall everywhere, hopefully. And then just this chrome color. So I also got some stencils from Michael's. So I was thinking about making like a big wooden piece that says, "Oh, come let us adore him," or something. I'm going to see how that goes, and if this doesn't work out, I got these big pieces from the Target dollar spot also. They were $3 each. This one says Believe. This one says Mary. And then Joy. And Noel. So these I can paint. And then I have some old pieces of wood that used to actually be part of my garden that we took apart. And I was thinking about having them lengthwise and then putting some smaller pieces of wood vertically behind them and nailing it together or screwing it together. And then I got this picture hanging kit from Home Depot. So I'm going to try putting the boards together with, you know, smaller boards vertically, and then use this picture hanging kit and maybe screw these on from the back and see how that works. So that'll be a video for sure. So subscribe if you want to see that video coming up and see how it works out. I'll also be making a video showing how I make my wreath. So those are coming up. So hopefully I can get them done sooner rather than later. And then last but not least, I got this a while ago at IKEA. You can see that, you can see my tripod. But it's just a really pretty glass house, and I was thinking I could put maybe some popcorn in it to look like snow, and then put like a nativity set or something like that. And I also got some tape from Michael's because it was on sale. So what about you guys? What have you been getting? Is there anything you've gotten this year that has been really exciting for you? Something you really love? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!